JOSKIN guarantees a perfect traceability of its machines at all times, and the unique chassis number is the key. It allows any user or repair shop to have access at any time to the key technical information of this machine, and in particular to its individualized spare parts book. Each part of the machine can then be ordered via the My JOSKIN platform or at the counter of the Technic centers in Belgium and Poland. At JOSKIN, the spare parts management is a specific branch of activity. This is a 100% customer-oriented service, independent of the department supplying parts for the assemblies in the factory. To ensure this service, the company has a large stock of wearing parts at its disposal at all times, as well as a fast delivery service, enabling the customer to benefit from a repair in the shortest possible time, regardless of the size of the part concerned or its nature, wearing or structural part.